Mabirizi case against Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo got some funny kind of news. There's been an update from Mabirizi, a series of updates. The first one, he said that he was abused by the court. The court said that Male was contacted over MTN line but did not answer. So that one makes the proceeding affected. And also, Mabirizi said that he looked at him and he just laughed at what the person was trying to say about this incident.
Counsel Mabirizi, today in your case against Owiny Dollo, the judge of the High Court, that is David, might have ruled that you were contacted on your MTN number, but you did not attend court. Is that how court process is served, counsel?
See, but I looked at him and I even laughed when he was reading those things. Because one, it is actually, it's a pity we are in trouble. That a senior man like Matovu, who has been a judge, I think, over since 2014, sometime. He has been a judge for some time, actually. He's a senior judge. You'd expect him to have a high degree of quality decisions made. Service of court process is something very sanctioned. That Matovu, same guy, nullified my order for DNA in Mokono, claiming that I don't serve my sisters in UK. Yet the lawyer was appearing there on their behalf. Now, when it comes to me, says I was called on a phone. No evidence of, because there has to be an affidavit of service. There has to be, that magistrate, as man, Muumuza, had to issue a notice that your case will be heard on this date, then serve it to me, then I come. So, the way this is actually, it is even embarrassing. Matov is just embarrassed. When you read what he's just embarrassed, you just know that he's just protecting Owiny Dollo, but he has deviated from the law. Okay,
but counsel, what do you think is causing senior judges like Matov to make questionable decisions like that one?
The erosion of integrity. They are trading their integrity with the not actually promotions, with is it position, is it medical treatment, is it what? Judges don't know that actually they're entitled to what they are having. So they think that maybe Owiny Dollo is helping them to be where they are, maybe someone is helping me to be treated, maybe someone is helping me to go there. That's the problem. Yet they took judicial oath. So until when they don't know that their judicial oath tells them to do justice to all manner of people, including Owiny Dollo, that's when Matovu and others will come back to their senses.
Okay. Counsel, remind us of the fundraising numbers.
701 881231 and 787-263-086.
Well, the second thing that Mabirizi said, he congratulated and talked about Loikin and Kobusinje after getting bail. He expressed his gratitude to these two people's courage and the conduct of the court in giving these two ladies their bail.
Yes, sir. Counsel Mabirizi. Counsel, since yesterday you've been at LDC court to ensure that the three protesters who called for Muhoozi Kainerugab's arrest, that is Loikin, Namala and Kobusinje, are released. Now, counsel, that they are released, what is your comment?
Of course, this is a success. This is a success. I congratulate those three girls, for putting up spirit fight. What they did is what the constitution requires them under Article 3, to do all in their power when someone is derogating the constitution. You don't sleep. When a weakling magistrate sat, nowhere where that lawyers are in the courtyard, these girls told the magistrate, our lawyers are here. Reminded them for 3 weeks. They performed their duty very well to resist. They resisted the illegality. They said, you're not taking us nowhere, our lawyers are here. So that was a very good gesture, that was a very good thing. And actually we came to their aid. As soon as possible, we went and talked to the magistrate, told him, what have you done? Then he said, I'm fact that's official. I told him, this to stop the nonsense. We are here, you cannot say, you are remanding them. Then we went to the
chief magistrate.
We moved, of course, after a meeting with stakeholders. has agreed that actually we make an application, which is under the law. I think it's section 220 of the Magistrate Courts Act. It empowers chief magistrates to supervise those lower magistrates, especially for some administrative errors. Like you allocate a file, no person knows where the case is. Before we know, you have called the file, you are hearing it, you remind people. This court must transform, like at Uganda Road Court. When you come to the reception, they will tell you your case is before Kaizi, is before Jatiko Nancha, is before, so you can know. But not that people don't know where suspects are going, then you remind them. So that fraud has to stop, and that was a very big win against them.
Okay, Council, remind us of the fundraising numbers.
701-88-1231 and 787-263-086.
Still in Kampala, a drunk government driver lost control and turned to knock a border driver, and the crowd gathered to try to witness, and many were wondering how comes this is happening. Besigye must be released continues. Mabirizi and the team of Kizza, who is one of the lawyers to Dr. Kizza Besigye, continues to campaign for the release of Besigye. They have printed t-shirts written on it, grant Besigye and Lutale bail, where they also do some press up to express or show solidarity.